Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 11i and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find connection and sharing. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see here, we've got a reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. So let's tap on it, and here your device actually again lists to you the things which will be restored. So just tap on reset settings. If you've got a pattern open, then enter to confirm, and your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because that might take several seconds, but also you won't be able to undo this action. So just tap on OK if you are ready, and as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your Xiaomi Mi 11i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.